Exchange points for gift cards? Doesn't get any simpler than that. Hi everyone, this is Hassan and welcome back to my channel. I recently stumbled on a paid per task website called Earnably, in which you complete tasks to earn points which you can later cash in via PayPal or a slew of gift cards. There are multiple ways to earn points here, from survey completions to my favorite, watching videos. Additionally, there are offers which consist of signing up for free membership or trials. You can even listen to online radio, but have to be in front of your computer to verify that you're listening to it every 10 minutes. There are tasks that you can complete to earn points as well, in addition to a good referral program. Signing up is quick and easy at earnably.com. Click on sign up on the top right corner. You type in your email, username, and password, and then of course you have to agree to their terms of use and sign right up. Once you've verified your account via verification email sent immediately by Earnably, you can log in and start earning points. I spend most of my time watching videos within AceWall, which helps me coast through hours of videos while earning points. For every 500 points you earn, that's $5 that you can cash in for gift cards of your choice. Companies like Earnably partner up with companies that are interested in getting consumer feedback on their products or services and to engage with consumers through promotional activities. The companies are willing to pay consumers for their participation. Here are 5 reasons why Earnably ranks up high on my list of legit side hustles that can pay you several bucks a day. Number 1. Tasks. They have plenty of tasks available, taking surveys, downloading apps, watching videos, listening to radio, a referral program, they even have promo codes, etc. Number 2. Rewards. They have a variety of rewards available, including PayPal Cash, gift cards, Bitcoins, and even credit to its Steam wallet. Number 3. Cashout Requirement. They have a low cash out threshold. You only need 125 points to cash out $1. You can easily reach a couple of dollars a day. Do this in a few days and you'll be making $5 every 3 days or so. Number 4. Same day redemption. With my experience cashing out my points, I received my gift card, my Amazon gift card, within a couple of minutes. Number 5. Free. It's free to try. Just don't expect to get rich doing this. Think of this as a side hustle. So how much can you expect to generate on a monthly basis? Realistically speaking, well, anywhere between $20 to $30 a month if you are consistent. That's between $240 and $360 a year. So give it a try.